You have a goal of 100K a month, million a month, whatever. And I remember looking at my phone and I refreshed the banking app. It's like 1.1 liquid in the bank for the business.
$1.1 million cash. We want to know how he did. So I used AI and summarized the whole video in step-by-step process so you can learn in just 1 minute. And for that, I used only 3 steps. Step 1, use AI and use this simple prompt. Wait, before I go to step number 2, step 3 will show you how somebody made $1 million in just 1 day. So in step number 2, I studied the whole steps and the standard operating procedure to create a business like this and found this video is a complete theory. There is no step-by-step process. That is a fail. So I moved on, went to the step 3 and found this.
The epiphany goes off in your mind when you do $1 million in a day. You think to yourself, what have I been doing with like all the other days of my life?
She made $1 million in 1 single day. And Russell Brunson interviewed her. That's another 18 minutes long video. So again, I went to AI and summarized the 5-step process needed for $1 million in 1 day. Stop before you go because step 5 will be completely done for you. So step 1 is set a goal that you can do. Step 2, selling high ticket offers. Don't worry if you don't know how to sell, and don't worry if you don't have high ticket offers, because step 5 will solve this problem for beginners. Step 3 is kinda techie that you don't need, and step 4, give what people want. Now don't worry if you don't understand any of this, because step 5 is exactly what we do. We have a simple system of learning using AI and making short and simple videos just like this, attract audience by posting those short videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. In our videos, we give what people want, and we have automated funnel that does the selling for us. And when our audience purchase our high ticket affiliate offers, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. This way, you don't need your own offer, you don't need to sell, you don't even need a website or automated funnel yourself, because in our system, everything is 99% done for you. Write 99 in the comment and I will DM you a link to a free case study.